Our world is getting darker and very narcissistic because people today are very impatient. Things are going so fast, and we want to go with the computers. We are faster as machines, more than machines. A computer can never get to the speed of a human operation ability, but then we have the grace to also calm down. And the beautiful part is that when we are patient, we are able to achieve things in a steady pace. But then when we are moving like the microwave and getting impatient, we get things done faster, then we drop. So just like is that seismograph measurement, it goes up and down just like that. You understand the reading of the breathing rate. So that's also a lot of people, that's why their life is up and down because of impatience. But with patience, your life goes in a steady progress. You move forward and upward, but it is steady, smooth, yeah, in every situation. And because of this impatience, a lot of people are hurt emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, physiologically. They don't have time for things that matter anymore. Things that matter, like taking your time to enjoy your meal, taking your time to enjoy nature, taking your time to love people around you, to understand people. A lot of people are destabilized, they are distracted, even they don't have time for their spouse. They are so busy with social media, a lot of things. And this they don't even have time to exercise. These have also been inspired by medicine. First, it was not like that. When you check the ancient lifestyle of man, man was not um, depending much on medicine. He was eating well, eating herbs, eating vegetables, fruits, and these that working barefooted, enjoying the natural environment. And if anything happens to them, what they think of is not a medicinal drug. They just apply a natural um, routine to it, even though some were a bit barbaric, but they knew how to treat it naturally and it to go, or they leave it because the body self-heal. Your body don't need medicine to heal, it self-heal. And because of the impatience and the use of drugs, it is destroying our nervous system, which has a great responsibility in our health even before your immune system comes, because the nervous system is your emotional system. And because we are spirit, we are forces, and we are made of forces, and we are full of power. Emotion control our energy is the most important thing in our lives before anything comes, because your energy determines your immunity. Your immunity does not determine your energy. Your energy level determine your immunity, and that is also determined by your state, how you are able to position yourself. And these things come through practice like meditation that inspire patience, enjoying nature, and all this stuff which our microwave world has got away from us. So because of this, the average person today is always hook up, like they are always in a tense situation. They are never relaxed because every action they are taking is attacking somebody's emotion, and then an unpredictable attack also brings unpredictable reaction. You understand? Just like the law of um motion, you understand. So because of that, they hate people and they are hate back just like that. What the average person think today is how to take advantage, manipulate someone to take advantage of their emotions, so others also do same today. Due to 10 people, they also do 10 back to you.